Yesterday we had the first snow of the season, which put me in mind of engine preheaters. Now, I don't have a kit on the shelf. We used to stock these. Now, when we were running Emma's Amazon as our daily hack, what was that, over a decade ago, it was wonderful. Stepping into a car that was up to full operating temperature on a sub-zero morning to do the school run is just a lovely pleasure. And to be honest, for many years, I ran our Stage Rally 142 with an engine preheater just to get the block warm before firing up, just to put less wear on the engine. So yes, I do love them. I think they're fantastic. As I say, stepping into a car that's already up to operating